So what is up, Toshi fam? We're back with another video, and today we're going to be taking another look at Toshi. So recently we're seeing signs that Toshi might be coming back up, and again the crypto market is kind of recovering, so we're going to be looking at how Toshi is performing compared to the market and where we could see Toshi heading to next. So before we do start with the video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Toshi, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we're over at our screen and looking at Toshi right now. It's up around 10% in just the past week. If we look at the rest of the market right now, we could even see Bitcoin is up around almost 10%, Ethereum's up 12%. Most of these coins are also up in the week and even in the daily as well, which is pretty good to see. We're kind of recovering. We're moving out of the fear right now. We're currently at 37, right? 40, we exit the fear, we go to neutral. Just a few weeks ago, we were in the extreme fear and we hit, I think, a 5 in the fear and greed index, which was absolutely crazy. So now we're moving back. We're heading towards more greed now. Hopefully we do that soon. And again, altcoin season, we're at 44 out of 100. Still on the Bitcoin side, but again slowly moving towards that altcoin season. So that's nice to see as well. And looking at Toshi, we could see 1 week we're currently around 10%. Daily we are up around 3.28%, which is again still really good. Market cap almost at 100 million, 93 million as of right now. Volume 9.7 million. Again, 10 average 10% volume to market cap ratio, which is still pretty good. But again, Toshi has been known for doing better. Overall, the graph, we could see this monthly, we have slowly been rising, not a crazy incline, but again, as we know, we did go down in the beginning of the month. We are slowly rising back up. If we check out the X of Toshi, we could see Toshi 112k followers. We posting regular memes as always, just keeping the community alive and interactive as well. And recently, as we saw, that Toshi is now tradable in New York, which is was really big news, because again, being able to be traded in New York, which is one of the kind of more financially responsible states actually in the world. So again, that was also a really big deal. So Toshi is now in New York as well on Coinbase market, which is really good to see as well. And again, overall, Toshi has been kind of just waiting for the pump back to happen. As we could see, year hasn't been great for Toshi. The left half of the year was actually pretty good. We did hit really good numbers, and then again we went back down, just following what the market has been doing for the past few months. If we look at the comments on Toshi, we about to pop off. We could see Toshi bullish. We see Toshi keeps stacking, millionaires will be made this year. I'm bullish on Toshi, the Shiba of base. Toshi billion soon. So the spotlight hits Toshi and everyone's losing their mind. Cats on base, yeah, that's the vibe. Forget fundamentals, this is pure meme magic, right? Toshi super cycle incoming. So we see a lot of good comments about Toshi. We could see leveraging until a penny, who's with me. So a lot of good comments, and the community behind Toshi is really strong, which we absolutely love to see, because again, the thing still holding Toshi strong is the community itself. Again, regularly posting about Toshi, talking about it, actually even trading it. Again, 10% volume to market cap ratio in this market, it's still pretty good. And again, as we see Bitcoin rising and Ethereum rising, we will most likely see every other coin rise as well, and Toshi is doing just that. This past week has been pretty good actually. We did more than 10%, but again, we went back down and slowly rising back up. Hopefully we do see better charts. If we head into DEX mode, we could take a better look, and again, we could see just kind of slowly rising, nothing crazy, just on a slight incline. Again, nothing crazy. We could see the slight incline happening with Toshi, and hopefully it does continue this and make it more kind of on a steeper incline, which is really is what we hope for, right? So hopefully that does happen coming very soon. And obviously we could see discussion name Toshi repeatedly today is an organic interest or coordinated chatter. We could see global score 71.3 out of 100, market data, whatever, right? So they did Toshi. Toshi is the face of base and king of cat memes, will take over the entire meme world soon. Community is unmatched, and I absolutely agree. The community of Toshi is really unmatched. So really good to see community stepping up in these times as well, and saying that Toshi is bullish. So once the market pumps back up, we will be seeing Toshi on crazy numbers. So hopefully we see that happening very soon. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we did take another look at Toshi, what Toshi has been doing in the past week. Again, we have seen the slight incline throughout the week and even the month, so hopefully that does continue, and we see even bigger incline. So we'll obviously keep you updated, so stay tuned. If you did enjoy the video, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Toshi, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.